Trying again. Ja, jasne.
Both barricades, like further trees, but like they're left of there, so they're safe through there. I can't see him, but he's just left the eye. Red, firing at you. Red or blue? He's not responding. Yeah, he's definitely a blue. Let's shoot him. Oh, sorry.
Thanks! Ooh, that was clean shot. Hey! Don't shoot me. Hey! Fuck's sake, why you shoot the young people? I told you, don't shoot me.
I'm sorry, mate, I couldn't hear. I've just come from spawn. It's
No worries, no worries.
My problem, right?
Get inside, get inside.
Sorry.
That was close, by the way, but...
Yeah, I saw you dodging like a fucking...
Yeah, that's red, that's blue, and that's the guy which doesn't take any hit.
Yeah, I think I just got the guy.
Hit! Friendly, thank you very much.
Red's in this building.
Stay. Jeszcze mu posłałem 2 kulki. To było niechcący już teraz.
The trees are alive, man!
Oh man, you getting incel?
Yeah, I'm a born up.
Thank you. Ta!
5 big mags, bunch of small ones.
So the battery is fantastic. Yeah. That's what you're telling me.
More than adequate. So I got white in a tower.
Down there, yeah.
Yeah, down there. 2 of them. One in the tower, one in the bottom.
Mate, just fucking take it! This time I've got it on the tape, so... Hit? I know, thank you. He took it. Well, you push back. You push back.
Well played, boys. Well played.
You guys absolutely annihilated us. Well done.
Speed and aggression, mate.
There is more shooting now than it was during the game. I wish it'd be that effective when we actually played against it.